Okay, how can I win in the disposition trial because they have no dirty drug test?
Going to have to take the next caller. I wanted to take Victoria from California. Victoria, hello, this is Attorney Vincent Davis. Did you have a story to tell or a question to ask?
It's Vanessa.
I have a question. I have a disposition. I think I appealed and asked for a trial.
Mhm.
They have no evidence.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, I'm here. What was your question?
Okay, how can I win in the disposition trial because they have no dirty drug test? The CPS Yolo County has been trying to open up a case on me for these 2 years since I've moved back. I actually have a history with them. I did a protest here at their courthouse and at the one in the Sacramento. And in 2016, they wanted me to wait to do an investigation for 2 weeks when I saw child abuse in front of my face. And they kept telling me to wait 2 weeks. I actually saw the young lady get choked by her father. So I took her to the police station, and the same supervisor that works there now back then called me a B word and told me I made her agency look really bad, that I should have just waited for them to come and do the investigation. So now I feel they're doing this maliciously because they're just doing all this weird stuff, like telling me I should do my supervised visits with my ex-husband who was abusive, who they asked me to drop the restraining order because I actually had a restraining order on him, like the 100 feet one. And now they want me to do visitation with him. They even, on the report, they have my dad, who is a sex offender, who I have PTSD because of him. They took my kids over an allegation that I abused them and I was addicted to drugs and I was mentally unstable. When I told them, I was crying because a lot of my family members just died from COVID. And me and my boyfriend were having an argument.
Well, Vanessa, hold on a second.
Okay.
So your case is in Yolo County, right? So that's California, right?
Yes.
And you have a disposition hearing coming up, correct?
The disposition, they said they didn't want to return the kids.
I know, but do you have a contested disposition hearing coming up, or you don't know?
Yes, I do. It's on the 22nd. Okay. The trial for it.
What happened at the jurisdictional hearing, the trial right before the dispositional hearing?
Well, my attorney, I thought she was going to help me fight the allegations, but the only allegation she said she helped me to fight was the physical abuse. Okay, so their agency ruled out.
What were the allegations that the judge found to be true at the jurisdictional hearing? Do you know?
Substance abuse and mentally unstable.
Okay, so this is what you're going to have to do to win the disposition hearing. Number one, you're going to have to get a psychological evaluation to prove that that's not currently a situation where you're mentally unstable, because no judge is going to want to give you the children back if they believe that you're mentally unstable. Because if they give you the children back and something happens to the children, that judge is probably going to be in a lot of hot water, as you might imagine. The second thing that you need to do is, since the judge found the substance abuse allegations true, you're going to have to start drug testing clean, and continuing to go to a substance abuse program. Okay? Now,
yes.
I'm not saying that the the mentally unstable part of your case is true. I'm not saying that the drug abuse part of it is true. I'm saying that if the judge found it to be true, no matter whether it's true or not, you're going to have to address those situations before the judge is comfortable giving your children back. Okay?
Yeah, I
So
already
wait a minute,
started. So
wait a minute. I need you to talk to your attorney that you're assigned, if you have a court-appointed attorney, or to your private attorney, and ask him or her, how you can do these things, because you can get the psychological evaluation and you can start the drug testing and the drug counseling. You can do that now. You don't have to wait until after the next hearing. Do you follow me?
yes, I already did that.
2 minutes.
Okay. So,
I'm already in the before they didn't want to give me my case plan, but I'm already knew what they wanted me to do because I'm aware with CPS. So I already started it's like an intensive drug program, and I have all clean drug tests for almost 3 months now.
perfect.
And I've done the counseling at 2 different counselors and one with a therapist.
Okay.
I got my 8-week certificate for domestic violence.
But Vanessa,
I haven't missed no visits.
Vanessa, I told
Yeah.
you need to get a psychological evaluation. Have you done that?
Okay.
Have you done that?
No, I don't think I've actually gone. I thought it was with the therapist that I'm seeing.
Okay, so you need to talk to your therapist or talk to your attorney and get a psychological evaluation and a report, so that report and that witness can come to court at your disposition hearing and testify in front of the judge. Okay, the important thing is that you have the evidence to combat what the social worker is saying to you. Hey, Vanessa, I want to thank you for calling and thank you for listening. And, call us in a few weeks and let us know what's going on in your case. And you can give me a call on Monday, 888-888-6582, and we can talk more about your case in depth. This is The Secret, How to Fight CPS and Win. We'll be right back after these messages.